Alright, so now we're going to take a 1 liter water sample of our stream water, and we're going to use this to analyze the total suspended solids in our stream. So it's really important that you don't trample where you sample, and you always go upstream of wherever you are just taking your chemical, your pH and your conductivity and your temperature readings. Because we're looking at how much sediment is moving through the stream on a normal day, if you're mucking around and kicking up a lot of sediment, it's going to throw off the analysis. So we've got a nice clear section of stream, and we have labeled our sampleable container with the date, time, and person collecting the sample, as well as the site location. Because as soon as the water is removed from the stream, it becomes anonymous. So it's very important that we clearly document where these samples came from. So after everything's labeled, what we're going to do is triple rinse our container. So very similar to how you filled up your cup for your pH and chloride readings, we're going to fill our container partway, facing upstream. We're going to cap it, give it a good shake, and then dump it out behind you downstream, because you don't want to be continuously contaminating your collection container. So number 2, fill, shake, and dump. And number 3, fill, cap, shake, and dump. So now that we've triple rinsed our container, we're ready to fill it up. So at different sites you might have varying amounts of depth, but it's important that we get a collection of the entire cross section of the channel. So we're going to tilt our sample collector down a little bit until we're about 2/3 of the depth, and this area is pretty shallow, so it might look a little silly, but in a deeper stream reach, you want to be sure that you're filling throughout the channel, because sediment moves at different rates throughout the waterway. So now we're going to cap it, we're going to put it in a cooler, and then transfer it to be analyzed.